Hello and welcome everybody. Today I am going to show you how to fix Amazon Prime black screen. Amazon Prime Video is a very stable software. However, sometimes might show this problem. First, to fix it, you can do many things. The first one is to make sure that your device is updated to the last version. If you are watching Amazon Prime in your computer, you need to make sure that your computer is updated to the last version and that your browser is updated to the last version too. If your browser is not updated to the last version, you will need to update it and then relaunch the browser. If your computer is not updated to the last version, you need to update it. Then, if the issue continues, you can try to change the video quality of the content that you are watching. Now I have enabled the best quality. However, you can try, for example, putting it on better or on good, because sometimes the hardware might not support the 4K quality of the video, and you can try watching the content in a quality that doesn't have that much resolution. If this doesn't work, you can try to clear your data. In order to do that, you open a new tab, click on these three dots, clear processing data, now clear data. Now you relaunch your browser and the problem should be fixed. If after doing everything of this, the problem continues, you need to contact the Amazon support team. I hope you find this information helpful and thank you very much for watching.